This question, find the values of a and b so that the polynomial x cube minus 10x square minus 10x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x minus 1 as well as x minus 2 is exactly divisible by x minus 1 as well as x minus 2. Okay, so if it is exactly divisible means what? Then it is a factor of this polynomial. That is what? X minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So we know that if x minus a is a factor, then p of a equal to 0. So that given that p of x is given, that is x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b, and then given that x minus 1 is a factor, therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a equal to 0. Here x minus 1 is a factor, therefore p of 1 equal to 0. Then replace 1 by everywhere in the given polynomial. 1 cube minus 10 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b, that is equal to 0. So it's nothing but 1 minus 10 into 1 is 10 plus a plus b is equal to 0. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9 plus a plus b equal to 0. Therefore a plus b equal to minus 9 becomes plus 9. Let it be equation number 1. And also given that x minus 2 is a factor. So what you can conclude? Therefore p of 2 equal to 0. Now what will you do? Replace x by 2 everywhere in the given polynomial, equal to 0. That is 2 cube minus 10 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b, that is equal to 0 dear. Am I right? Yeah. Now expand now. 2 cube is 8 minus 10 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 times of a is 2a plus b, that is equal to 0. 8 minus 10 fours are 40 plus 2a plus b, that is equal to 0. 8 minus 40 is minus 32 plus 2a plus b, that is equal to 0. So 2a plus b equal to minus 32 becomes plus 32. Let it be equation number 2. Am I right here? Now we are trying to find the values of a and b. So for that what we can do? Subtract the second equation minus first equation. It gives us, what is the second equation? 2a plus b minus of, on the left hand side first equation, a plus b, which is equal to 32 minus 9 here. Now again do now. So 2a plus b minus a minus b, which is equal to 32 minus 9 is 23. So plus b minus b you can cancel. 2a minus a is a equal to 23 now. Now again you have to find the value of b now. So it's given that a plus b is equal to 9. Here you found the value of a is 23. So 23 plus b, that is equal to 9. Then b equal to 9 minus 23, which is equal to how much dear? Minus 14. B equal to how much? Minus 14. Therefore the value of a is 23 and then value of b is what? Minus 14. Am I right? Yes. 23 minus 14. The value of a is 23 and then value of b is what? Minus 14. Shall we move to the next question then? Yeah. Look at the next question. We will solve one question based on identity. Yes. If a plus b plus c equal to 5, if a plus b plus c equal to 5 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 10, ab plus bc plus ca equal to 10, and then prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to minus 25. Am I right? Now tell the identity, that is a plus b plus c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus, that is a square plus b square plus c square, sorry, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Am I right here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now, first we expand a plus b plus c the whole square. We know that a plus b plus c the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Am I right here? A plus b plus c the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Now substitute the value now. A plus b plus c the whole square, that is equal to what here? It's given that 5, so it should be 5 square. We don't know the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Just to keep as it is, plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca is 10 here. So 5 square is 25 equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 20. Then 25 minus 20, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So 25 minus 20 is 5 now. That is 5 equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Now they asked us to prove a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to minus 25 we have to prove. Am I right? Yeah. Now consider a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to, we know that, what we know? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That you can write like minus of ab plus bc plus ca you can write here. Yes. Now a plus b plus c is how much? It's given that 5, and then we found the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 5 here. 5 minus of, what is the value of ab plus bc plus ca? That is 10. So minus 10 now. So 5 into 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Therefore plus into minus is minus. 5 5s are 25 here. 5 5s are 25 here. Are you getting there? Yes. And then one more question we will do. Wait. If A, B, C are all non-zero, if A, B, C are all non-zero, you have to try to prove that if A, B, C are all non-zero and A plus B plus C equal to 0, A plus B plus C equal to 0, prove that A square by BC plus B square by CA plus C square by AB is equal to 3. I think so. Yes. Am I right here? So we know one identity. What identity? We know that if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. This one we know. What we know? If A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. Now take the left hand side now. That is left hand side, it is A square by BC plus B square by CA plus C square by AB. C square by AB. Now take the LCM of all these things, then it will be ABC. BC, CA, AB. That LCM of BC, CA, AB is what? ABC here. Now here what should be multiplied to get the denominator is ABC? Here A should be multiplied. So A into A square is nothing but A cube. Here what should be multiplied? Here B should be multiplied. So B square into B is nothing but B cube. Am I right here? Here what should be multiplied? Here C should be multiplied. Then C square into C is C cube here. C cube here. Am I right? So A cube plus B cube plus C cube is nothing but 3ABC by ABC. Now we can cancel this ABC here. That is 3. So we know that, see, given that A plus B plus C is 0, therefore A cube plus B cube plus C cube can be written as 3ABC. Here 3, already we are having ABC in the denominator. So we can cancel this ABC. We are getting as 3. We got the right hand side. We got the right hand side. Am I right here? You please just you practice. Whenever you are getting free time, you please download the question paper from net. Otherwise you can get questions from R.D. Sharma. Try by your own. Keep on trying. Practice more and more. Okay. Then only we can able to, yes, attend all the questions. Whatever questions you are getting for your examination, at least you can attempt. At least you can attempt. That we don't know that whether we are going to get the answer or not. At least we will get an idea to attempt the questions. How are we going to approach? That is important. Okay. Before solving the questions, so we have to get some idea how to approach, how we are going to start. Okay, what is the identity involved in that questions, what is the identity behind that, so what is that identity, how we can use that identity. Okay, so you have to plan according to that. Am I right here? Yeah. So maths, we know that maths is the easiest subject in the world to get centum when if you know the concept clearly. Am I right here? Yeah. Thank you.